Got another coupler change out. This is coming off. I'm gonna put a new one on. Get the wiring up and out of the way. Get the weld blanket down to protect the concrete. Let's get this off. Front fell off.
Well, because the front fell off.
All right, take this off. 9/16 to take those off. All right, jack's out. Let's get this thing torn down. On these, I like to cut right down the middle here and then work my way and cut the weld. And I can pry bar it off. Let's get it done. Good. Cut down the middle. Let's work on these weld sides. Good. Let's see if it'll pop off. Oh, look at that. Hey, a hammer. Passenger side's off. Driver side. Let's see if it's cut enough to make it relief. Yeah. Oh, we gotta set up our tarp. Out of the weather now. Beautiful. Driver side's off. I'm just gonna cut all this off with the cutoff wheel and then go and sand it down. All right, enough material is off, let's sand it down. All right, taking these safety pins off. One cotter pin is out, one safety chain is off and off. Sand her down. Nice and sanded down. Let's do the other side. Beautiful. 1-to-1 swap. Let's clean these edges so we can weld well, clamp it, tack it, weld it. Jack support hole lines up perfectly. Let's tack this thing on. Coupler's clamped, everything's on. Titanium 200 unlimited. It is ran off a Predator 8750 generator. Ah, it always gets you. What up, man? How you doing? Jesse.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Appreciate it, man.
No problem at all. I'm about to get this thing on there. I dodged the rain a little bit. That's why I was late. I was like, it's downpouring. I'm going to wait a little bit. Oh, probably should get my welding gloves on. Welding gloves are on. Oh, she's welding well today, boys. All welded out. Let's clean it up and paint it. And paint her black. And safety chains are going back on. Driver side's on, cotter pin verified. Cotter pin lost. Where did I put it? I got a new cotter pin. And passenger side cotter pin verified. And jack is going back on. Oh, lines up perfectly. pick up all the sharp edges. Couplers installed, painted, all done. All lights are back on there. Safety chains are on. This job's done. I'm on to the next.